Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the "This app has been blocked by system administrator" error in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your computer is fully powered on and wait for Windows to completely load up. This ensures all system processes are running properly before we make any changes to your registry settings. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop, we're going to access a critical system tool called Registry Editor. This is where Windows stores important configuration settings, and we'll be making a small but effective change here to resolve the blocked app issue. Direct your attention to the Windows Start menu, which you'll find in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it, and once the menu opens, type in regedit. After typing this, hit Enter on your keyboard. A Registry Editor window will now appear on your screen. This powerful tool allows you to modify system-level settings that control how Windows behaves. Now here's where we need to navigate to a specific location within the registry. In the Registry Editor window, you'll see an address bar at the top. I'll be providing you with the exact directory path you need to enter there. Simply type or paste this path into the address bar and it will automatically jump you to the Policies folder and System folder we need to access. Feel free to pause the video at this point to make sure you type in the exact registry directory correctly. Accuracy is important here, as entering the wrong path could take you to the wrong location. Once you're under the System folder, look through the list of registry entries on the right side of the window. You need to locate the registry entry named Enable Labor. When you find it, double-click on it to open its settings. A DODUI editor window will pop up showing you the current configuration for this registry value. Here's the key step that fixes the problem. In the Value Data field, you'll see it's currently set to 1. This is what's causing the system administrator block. Simply change this value from 1 to 0. This modification tells Windows to stop blocking apps based on user account control restrictions. After changing the value to 0, click on OK to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully modified the registry setting that was causing apps to be blocked by the system administrator. Your apps should now run without this error appearing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.